Greetings, watch lovers. Today we're taking a look at this Casio W-26 vintage watch from the 80s, module 248. The seller on eBay stated that the light doesn't work. Sure enough, the light button does not work, but however, the mode button does not work, and the 12-24-hour button doesn't work. The adjust button does work, but we can't change the adjustment or adjust the time. So let's see if we can fix it. Start up. So the seller did say that they installed a new battery, so it's not unusual when someone who's not familiar with Casios installs a new battery that they don't align the module correctly. And it does look like this module is a little bit askew. It is not in the watch straight, and therefore the pushers are not pushing on the switches correctly, the leaf spring switches. I believe that's what's going on with this one. Find out. Screw. There we go. Gasket is partially stuck to the cover. That's okay. Put that aside. And here you can see the module is definitely not in here correctly. Got that pusher switch is way over, but this one looks like it's completely missing. See, either that, this button doesn't push at all. It's either that or the buttons are stuck and dirty. Let's pull out the module and see. The module's kind of jammed in there. See how the module is doing itself outside of the watch. It's stuck over here. Glue. There we go. Okay. Screen's looking nice. See if we're, there we go. Our modes. Modes look fine. Light. And the 12/24-hour button definitely works. All right, let's see what's going on with the buttons. Just down here. Be the buttons push. That one's kind of moving. Yeah, these buttons must be awfully dirty. The adjustment moves. Yeah, I'm not budging. So what that means is a lot of dirt has probably gotten underneath these buttons. So they don't want to go in and out anymore. So what I need to do is I need to take off these tiny C-clips here, pull the buttons out, and clean out the shafts where they go in. But that will be for another time because it's late. So stay tuned for that, where I will disassemble these buttons. And clean them up. Actually, I also have another watch I could use this module in. That might be the fate of this module. I have a W-25. I could use this module. I was also told this has some very light scratches that can hardly be seen, but you can see there's a couple of deep ones. One right there. But these buttons are definitely stuck. They're barely moving in or out. Oh, I got that one to move. So the light button has hope. It's a little crunchy. Oh, wow. I think these buttons are glued or something. Oh, it's moving. Maybe I don't have to take them out. The 12 24-hour button is really stuck. The mode button, get it to move a little bit, maybe that's enough. Light button is moving. So oh, there it goes. It's moving. Oh, that's not going to go out again. Let's try putting the module back in for another day. Where I will actually clean out these buttons. Maybe we can get it partially working. Find out if the beeper works. Get all these springs in the front. These little springs contact the different points on the piezo speaker in the front. You can see there's two piezo speakers, the top and bottom, and they're connected to the metal plate, which acts as the ground. All right, let's see if we can get this module in correctly. So we got this is the top. This is the top. You want to line up the springs for the pushers. A lot of times it's good to get one side in first. You push them in. So that they don't get caught on the button pushers. Okay. Looks pretty good. This one. Let's see how straight we are. It looks pretty straight. Oh, it actually looks a little off. So it needs to be turned slightly this way. Looking pretty straight now. See if our buttons work at all. Mode. Light button works now. Got one. Let's see what this mode button is doing here. Yeah, it's not going in all the way. That's got to be packed with dirt. There. Not getting the mode change. Let's see again. It looks like it turned. 1224. Get the light. Fix the light button, but the other buttons are still probably packed with dirt. Just don't push in far enough. Oh, this one's made some sort of contact. Oh, look at that. We just got out of 24-hour mode. Yep. Huh. So that button's working. Now, if we can only get the mode button to make contact. Nice. Stopwatch works. This button still doesn't work, the mode button. All right, well, until next time, I think I will quit there. Timer. Time. And it's getting late. The real time is actually past midnight. So, for now, close it up. And next time, we'll have to take the buttons out, clean the button shafts. All right, thanks for watching.